Mami Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in SEM TVGH so what frame Adjoa searching. I will serve Mr. Unsubscribe and Mr. on our subscribe. Found some notification bell also for more news.
Mats there, a pedal being to them.
The beginning my dream people more district in
our district in them.
Oh, more than
them. Yeah, Balas and Color. None of Famaka contains
I can't hold them. That's it. In Ibin Sida, do be Babeti MP. No, nya MP. Form Mpomon Fay. Mr. School Dine, Mr. Clinic, Mary Chip Compound, Mary Community Center, 3 unit classroom blocks, 6 unit classroom blocks, Ibin Sida. Me peda honor your signal one day. Near that tina home could say no what to abamo na shada katanaka mo one cran. Then some can nam winum na baba dada yimpa. Damenda dan with you. Me peda me catch a Gomoafoɔ de. What dada wana chair. Na me could use it. Men dada one mo mad dan one. Mazin waye. It will be better for him to step down. And I'm saying it on authority. It will be better for the MP to step down. Hey, where's the 2 terms? Oh yeah. It will be better for him to step down. Because the primaries, I will win the elections. I don't know what she's saying this. They are to about Kromfoɔ school down here. About how? I mean, 2 terms. Now, if we call close to the woman can school down, we will see. If for her chip compound, won't to be near. If for her roof.
Enti Gomoa West to say Gomoa East to so Gomoa bade. Eyi no opero be one MP. Eyi. Dem Kowhini. Eyi. Dem Kowhini. All right. So if you are willing to be a good leader, if you are willing to go for the race as an MP, the itinerary the Menzame, why are you doing it? Are you doing it for the power? What are you doing it for? And when the Mwankasa Ghana fu bebe na nkasa na mwanku mu bebe na sebe mwadwen no bebe wo fom a mwadwen wo fom. They are no what they want. They are no what they want. Where the madia will be your power ni we are. If you walk a more some chair one. Your power, Captain Smart, your power. Insults and them kind of rudely way of doing journalism, you know. Baby or pedo the baby. Nti there any baby now worry about with the agenda. Ma worry ye bia and what the agenda and what they ye. What to about money one? Obey the most corrupt MP ever in our time, Captain Smart. He will be the most corrupt MP. Now I'm waiting on that day patiently. There Gomoafoɔ. What about to abano what am them papi? Eh? Nka wone wa wonya aso. Aso a friend aso, wonye bi da. Wakoto aba meyi. Wakoto aba wada meyi. If you believe you have the capability to be a leader, why do you have to spend money first before you are given the position? It means that you are coming because of your own agenda. Just like John Dumelo. John Dumelo, Parliament rat. John Dumelo. Own your power, then they feel relaxed. And then they start telling us things we don't want to hear. Now, Captain Smart today, Ghana, sune. Gomoa East to say Gomoa West. So what to Obama them party you want? I'm telling you. This guy doesn't deserve to be an MP. Hey, undeserved to be an MP Krupo. Hey,
Ebema Obi not here konyamu bisa akwati fusu se na honorable anadwokra na lights ne security se ma so yo Obi enu nti na aban ne se obema na akoso no sinti de na aban ne beye ana o se oh aban ne bema police fo me pa to ma nya ho se won ka yo me maka chem se me institution me wi amfi bibia ana mo be ka kire yen se ye bema police fo eko gina kenke and fish joint. Abide security ni bino no. said the bear omo beton adia omo benya asomdue ene ye kasere ya na koy afa ye wo ha ena ye ko bisa 24-hour economy biu ewo abrante a bronsam asra na ngo na bronsam atetene tekramaso na ode etro aye na botire na ode nkonkonsa ene sebe yensei nipa abọ na chidomu a odi jimi His Excellency the Lion Machine Gun Sami Jemfi se wonu nko chirim Sami Jemfi ba ya sa 24-hour economy no a game changer sa ai che 24-hour economy ya de bia NDC for ya gene hu yie pa na ya prepare sa ai na ye pese mu hunu se ye di be creative nyuma e de ama Ghana for obi utuwe se utumi ko bank anajo a ompe no obi se na say ne de anajo bank ne metumi ayo me phone so o se obi men kasa ti de make so obetumi akọ bank anajo a ompe obi so eja ye de envelope abre ni nti o se hi it will be good you na enyansafo mienu ete platform no snow I'm talking banking and this is me kind of where you the can wo ecosi sense I'm talking banking me pacho obi a wo hwe me na so me you are here erudite anyone who is watching me from anywhere say Marcus you are in UK you can tell me this. Tell me any insurance company that would ensure a bank to operate at 2 a.m. live banking when there's online banking. Insurance company be take his idea and say Rex and they say I'm going to ensure a bank here. Say a bank no obey juma and I do 2 a.m. 3 a.m. Mama ya dio. Obetina na wo kan no be making the say bia wo MP printing na de amo ye no esay o man no insurance company ben and also me wo nyansa na me dey have taken a bank on me na me insure omo na enso ma allow omo say omo nya adwuma 2 a.m. Why do you think say bank by 5 they start to close? Even high officers they almost so na de omo chim Edi akwa chiri kura no acha by 7-8 ni atutu yes nka eni ni na akoye wo he koye online but Sami Jemfi and Obi two so-called lawyers sat on the platform to tell Ghana for na say yes it is true we can actually do banking at night. Any jana man call it. Adia chinya na abrantie bi ni tika kraka bi. Yes, a friend DK o se DKH Ghana. Me pato ti o. Wo ye commercial. E dia me nipa te wo policy ase. Se de be ye o mekwa akoto aba ade aye den e de ama o. MPP fo ye bi. Okay calibus. Na omo ye registration. Any passport renewal na na do no ma pensi yetumi ye no online ya utumi tina wo dem dey apply passport ne ade no na goro boy bi ajiges bisika de bia no odwane o passport na bebe na o chere bebe na chere na ye chere mo so obetumi aye ne digital ene ye de sere ye fefefe NDC for to justify say yanko say be bank ya na jo no this is what they did yakofa DKB yes ni din no ni tika kraka bi say ono akofa ashawo ede na bafie na odi asawo ne baaye no 2 a.m. abo asawo ni se wo konti no openisika asawo ni se na de ompini o so man cash momo wo ho ene hook up girls momo ne de ye adwuma odi nkan de deposit ko na de transport na ka ho no waba uwi adwuma na de nkan na ma no ko sa na yaye na. But under John Mahama, the opposition time, yen say Ghana for argument. Yema ubi koye commercial say anadwo 2 a.m. Ono akofa asawo ni ba ne na beda asawo ni ni gine sika enti eye 2 a.m. no otu car anadwo ekogina ATM ho se oyiska no de ekotua na asawo ne ka